getting ready to fight COVID.
All of us want to be superheroes, and the most important heroes are those that help others. This year, thousands of kids like us around the world joined the COVID-19 vaccine trial.
Kid power.
And when they did, they became all superheroes. To all the kids who volunteer, we'd like to say,
thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you for sharing your superpowers of
courage, trying new things,
the ability to save people,
the power to help people,
helping not just yourself, but many other kids.
To not be scared, be strong, super brave,
bravery and courage,
a superhero shot, helping everybody,
fight coronavirus and help others.
You're helping the whole entire world.
Thank you. You are all superheroes.
Thank you!
Thank you, superheroes.
Thank you. You're awesome.